Zero knowledge about GATE, zero preparation done, but GATE 2027 is in February and you want to qualify. Where do you start? In this video, I am going to share with you the complete beginner's roadmap for the GATE 2027 from absolute zero, step by step in the right order. My name is Smith Patel. I have qualified GATE 7 times. I have done my MS from IIT Madras and mentored over 3000 students at EduGATE Engineering Academy. I have guided students who started with zero preparation knowledge and cracked GATE within a year. The roadmap I am sharing today is a built from those journeys. Students who start without a roadmap and spend their first 2 months in confusion, not in preparation. They read random chapters, watch random YouTube video, attempt random mock test and wonder why nothing connects. Starting without a structure is not neutral, it is actively counterproductive. Every day spent confused is a day of preparation time lost. So if you follow this roadmap from the beginning, you will enter your preparation with a clear direction, complete your syllabus in logical sequence and arrive at the exam having built confidence systematically rather than an accumulated panic. Comment GATE 2027 below and we will send you a month by month preparation calendar for you. Now, before I give you the roadmap, let me tell you why most beginner students waste their first month. They enter preparation mode without entering understanding mode. They start studying before they understand what that exam test. That is the like packing for a trip without knowing your destination. You pack everything, you carry everything, and when you arrive, half of it is useless. Here is the 8-step beginner roadmap for GATE 2027. Step 1. Understand the exam before you study for it. Spend one day, only one day, understanding GATE pattern, section, marking scheme and your personal target score. Do not spend a week reading about GATE before you start preparing for GATE. Step 2. Download the official GATE syllabus for your branch from the GATE official website and print it. Understand the topic listed. Do not overwhelm. Most of it you have already studied in your BTech. GATE is a testing depth of understanding, not breadth of new topic. Step 3. Do the previous year question analysis 3 hours. Go through the last 10 years of your branch paper. Mark which topic appears most frequently. This gives you your tier 1, 2 and 3 breakdown. This is your preparation priority list. Step 4. Build a subject-wise schedule. Assign study weeks to each tier 1 topic. Those 6-month plan framework like foundation phase, integration phase, mock test phase, consolidation phase. Do not skip this step and jump to study. Step 5. Start with engineering, maths and general aptitude simultaneously from day 1. Just 30 minutes a day on each of these, and this ensure that on month 5 you have not left 28 marks of predictable content to the last minute. Step 6. Study core subject in a priority order. Tier 1 topic first, one topic at a time. Finish the concept, do previous year question for that topic immediately and then move to the next topic. Do not study all topics in parallel. Step 7. Start mock test at the end of month 2 and one full test. Use it baseline only and analyze it and move on. Step 8. Join a coaching program or a structured course if you need guided accordingly. This roadmap works with or without coaching, but for most 19 to 20 years old, having a structured external program significantly improves follow through. That is the 8-step roadmap. Today is the best day to start and tomorrow is the second best day. Comment GATE 2027 below for our free counseling session. Free demo class link is in the description and we'll see you in our next video.